Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi A1 Plus and let me share with you how to change the video resolution on this device. So first of all we have to open the camera app, so let's tap on it, and then we have to make sure that we will be on the video mode. So let's tap on the video, it should be on the left from the photo. Let's tap on it. And since it is highlighted, and if you can see this red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you're on the video mode. So then let's enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner, and as you can see, this bar at the very top is connected with the resolution. We've got only only two different options to choose from. Currently we've got 1080p option applied, and this option is marked with this yellowish color, and it has got 30 frames per second. So all we can do is to simply change it to 720p with the same amount of frames. So basically just tap on it, and since it is highlighted, it means that it has been applied to the camera, and from now on your device will record videos in chosen resolution. So basically that's all. This is how to change video resolution in your Redmi A1 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.